Introduction of private members' bills. Ms. Keeper, seconded by Mr. Russell, moves for leave to introduce a bill entitled An Act to Ensure that Appropriate Health Care Services are Provided to First Nations Children in a Timely Manner. This motion is deemed adopted. The honourable member for Churchill.
Mr. Speaker, I am pleased to introduce this piece of legislation, an act to ensure that appropriate health care services are provided to First Nations children in a timely manner, inspired by the very short life of a boy named Jordan Anderson from the Norrie House Cree Nation in my riding of Churchill, and the courageous battle waged by his family and the community. Jordan's principle is to ensure the child's health is prioritized and appropriate services are provided. This enactment implements Jordan's principle to provide that if the Government of Canada has an obligation to pay for health care services for a First Nations child whose ordinary residence is on a reserve, the first department of that government requested to pay shall do so in a timely manner. With this legislation, the aim is Canada will provide First Nations children the same health care services in a comparable time frame as all other Canadian children. I encourage all members of this House to work together to ensure no child in our country is left behind when it comes to health care.
Absolutely. Right on.
Ms. Keeper, seconded by Mr.